Teneo is the next DeFi project introduced by Crypto Airdrop. Teneo is highly promising, especially given its niche within the DeFi sector. So, let's dive into the project analysis and explore how to participate in the airdrop early to gain the most benefits. What is Teneo Protocol? Teneo is a data platform dedicated to Depin and AI, providing solutions for decentralized data collection, processing, and storage via smart contracts. Teneo seamlessly connects with leading blockchain ecosystems such as Solana, Ethereum, Cosmos, and Peak, making it easier for Depin projects and AI companies to access the data they need to develop products and optimize operational processes. Not only does Teneo support end users, but it also benefits data providers, who will receive fair rewards, contributing to a robust, secure, and high-potential decentralized data system. Although the development team and investment funds have not yet been revealed, the project has garnered significant community attention. This is evidenced by the impressive activation of over 75,000 community nodes during the airdrop campaign. What is Teneo Protocol's product? Teneo serves as a bridge between the real world and Web3, enabling businesses and individuals to harness data from IoT devices. With Teneo, users can effortlessly bring this data onto the Web3 network, turning it into valuable digital assets for effective utilization. The platform not only helps businesses address investment and AI application challenges, but also uncovers potential from unutilized data, fostering innovation and development across various sectors, providing tangible benefits for both individuals and enterprises. Community nodes. Community nodes allow users to earn rewards by sharing excess bandwidth. This tool can be easily installed on a computer, enabling users to accumulate Teneo points by operating a node or referring new users. Accumulated points can then be exchanged for Teneo tokens. Data storage. Data storage offers a decentralized data storage solution that supports fast read and write speeds and flexible scalability, even for large data files. Additionally, users have complete control over their data and can determine who has access to it. RWA tokenization infrastructure. Teneo builds a tokenized system for real-world assets, RWA, by issuing tokens representing the data and value of each asset, such as machinery and equipment. This records the performance and value of the assets transparently on the blockchain. Users can purchase these tokens to own a portion of the asset's value and receive rewards based on its performance. The system automatically manages, calculates, and distributes rewards to token holders, making investment and profit sharing easier and more transparent. Tokenomics. The project's main token is Teneo, with a total supply of 10 billion tokens. Here's the project's token allocation. Incentive pool, 35%, 250 million tokens, 2.5% of total supply, unlocked at TG. Distributed over 36 months. Private sales, 22% tokens are locked for the first 6 months, then distributed over 18 months. Team, 12% tokens are locked for the first 9 months, then distributed over 36 months. Advisors, 4% tokens are locked for the first 9 months, then distributed over 24 months. Public sales and airdrops, 6%, 195 million tokens, 1.95% of total supply, unlocked at TG. The remaining tokens will be distributed over 6 months. Early backers, 8% tokens are locked for the first 9 months, then distributed over 36 months. Treasury, 10% tokens are locked for 9 months, then distributed over 36 months. CX/DX liquidity, 3%, 50% of tokens unlocked at TG, then distributed over 12 months. Allocating 30% of the total supply to the incentive pool is a significant advantage of the project, which will serve as the primary motivation for the community to participate in the network and thus drive the project's growth. Teneo Airdrop Guide. Participating in the Teneo Airdrop is incredibly simple. Just install the Teneo extension, sign up, connect, and start earning points. Teneo points will be converted to Teneo tokens at the project's TG. Join early to accumulate as many Teneo points as possible. Follow these easy steps. Step 1. Download the Teneo extension for Chrome. Search Teneo Community Node on Google. Step 2. Open the Teneo extension and sign up to activate your node. Enter code AZ21C to receive an additional 2.500 Teneo points. Step 3. Check your email inbox verify. Step 4. Log into Teneo on the extension Click Connect Node to start earning Teneo points. Currently, there may be occasional disconnect errors. Be sure to check your node regularly and reconnect as needed. Notes: there are frequent disconnect errors, so check your node regularly and reconnect as needed. Open an additional YouTube tab to optimize Teneo point mining speed. This project is relatively simple and only requires leaving the device running. Similar to other Depin projects like Gradient and Dawns, I have introduced the Teneo project and how to participate in the airdrop. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel to receive the latest updates on amazing projects. Thank you.